Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hot. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening the last German box for YuGiOh Justice Hunters. And then no more German boxes, because I definitely will not accidentally order another one in English. No. I would never do such a thing. So, without further ado, let's dig right in. Maybe for the next German box I will make the videos all in German. Haha, wouldn't that be fun for everyone? We have a K9 erzwungene Befreiung. I mean, to be fair, half of them are kinda already in German because the card names are in German, and I'm not gonna translate them. We have ein Fall für K9. We'll of course leave English words where they make sense, because K9 is not a thing. K9 lantern. On to the next one. With a Leckergnügen Mignon. Then hopefully next week we are digging into the kinda new set. Let's see. We have a K9 YuGiOh. So many K9 here. Next pick, our first Archer, a Drachoschwanz Aphalion. Which is actually not how you would pronounce it in German. You would say Artalion. And a Rahu Drachoschwanz. On to the next one. With a K9 erzwungene Befreiung. Next pick, we get a Strickschaf. And on to the next one, and I can already see it's a Algeria, a Keks meets Lecker. It's waiting for us. And I think that's the first Keks meets we actually have from the yummy archetype. We have another Leckergnügen. No, not another. This time it's Acro Quay. Not Mignon. Next pack, we have a K9 Ripper. On to the next one. With a Becherkatze Leckerstraße. And we're done with the right side. And now move to the left side. And see what we get there. We get a K2 Drachoschwanz. On to the next one. With a Drachoschwanz Mulululu. Mululu. One Lu too many. Silly me. On to the next one. With another K9 Ripper. And a lecker Überraschung. Surprise, surprise. On to the next one, and it's yet again a K9 Ripper. I don't know, maybe Zerfetzer would have been nicer. Ooh, I see something very nice. It's a Becherkatze Lecker, but it's in Starlight Rare. Isn't it lovely? Yes, it is. It's now also mine. On to the next pack. With a Nummer 76. 67. I get my numbers wrong. Oh no. Zwillingswürfelhämmerer. That's because I have to switch between English and German. And the numbers work exactly the other way around. Which is rather silly. We have a K9 Lantern. On to the next pack. We have a K9 Izuna. I think this pack is a winner again. And by pack, I of course mean the box, not the pack. Starlight Rare and then Izuna. What more can you want? Another Handteufel, which looks oddly damaged. And I forgot to announce it. We're already down to the last pack. So let's see what we get. Doesn't really matter because I think we already won. It's a Drachoschwanz Gulamel. We'll take that too. So this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.